Okay, today I am going to teach you social studies next chapter. Previous class I completed this chapter na the face of our country, and next is the northern mountain. Northern means upper part of India. In the upper part of India there are so many mountains is there. The northern and the northeastern part of India has a long range of mountains. This chain of mountain is called the Himalayas. In the upper part of India, there are so many mountains is there. East side, here east side, there are so many mountains is there. For this mountains we are called Himalayas. The word Himalayas means the abode of snow. It means the Himalaya is snow clad. It is covered with ice and snow throughout the year. It looks like a beautiful necklace of our beautiful country. In that mountain having so many snow, the mountain is covered up full of snow. Snow means white ice is there na. If rain will come some days, will ice is there na. Have you seen snow? White ice? All mountains cover snow. It looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful. The mountains are looking very beautiful. Himalayan mountains are looking. It looks like if you wear nice necklace on the neck, na, like this only, they look beautiful. Locations extent. The Himalayas stretches from Jammu and Kashmir in the northern to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Here is the east side. Himalayas started from Jammu Kashmir on the north of India and stretches from east down of Arunachal Pradesh. From Jammu to Arunachal Pradesh will cover Himalayas mountain. The Himalayas is the highest mountain chain in the world. The Himalayas mountains are the highest chain. Chain means Himalayas mountains are like this. Like this, the mountain is there. It's like a chain, na? It's giant here. Like a chain. It is the very highest mountain on whole world. Not only in India, in the whole world, it is the highest mountain. Himalaya is the highest mountain chain. From north to east, the mountain wall cover about 2,500 kilometers with a varying depth of 240 to 320 kilometers. Here the Himalayas mountains cover. Here the Himalayas mountains cover 2,500 kilometers. Here from here to here 2,500 kilometers is distance. Is the highest peak of whole world. The Himalayas has three mountain ranges that run alongside each other. These are the Himalayas. Three mountains are their ranges. Mountains range means a row of mountains. Row means like this only. If row is there, na, like this only. There are three rows. This is the highest mountain. First one is the Great Himalayas or the Himadri. First one is the Great Himalayas or we call Himadri, and second one the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal, and the third one, last one is the Outer Himalayas or the Shivalake. Okay children, there are the three mountain range. There are the three mountain range of Himalayas. Range, you know na, mountain range rows. There are the three rows of Himalayas. First one is the Great Himalayas or the Himadri. The second one is the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal, and the last one is the Outer Himalayas or the Shivalakes. Okay children, you got? Then the Great Himalayas or the Himadri. We learn about first one. This one, first one, na, the Great Himalayas or the Himadri. How it look? Out of all Himalayas range, it is the highest range. The Greater Himalayas acts like a giant wall along the northern border of India. Here is the one row, the Himadri. Himadri row is there. You think this one is the Himadri. This is the highest peak. Peak means what? Here. We tell to this peak, Choti. This is the peak. It is the highest peak of world. Himadri peaks are the highest peak of world. The Mount Everest, the highest peak of the world, is situated in this range. It is 8,848 meters high. It is in Nepal. The second highest peak is K2 or Godwin Austen. It is situated in India. The first one is the highest peak, the Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Here is the distance 8,848 distance is there from here Mount Everest here to here. Peak is there na? It is the highest peak of whole India. And the second one also K2. K2 means or Godwin Austen. We call K2 or another name is Godwin Austen. It is also situated in India only, in our country only. Okay, children. And the others are Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Dholgiri, etc. are the other peaks in this range. These are the other regions. Which one? Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Nanga Parbat, Annapurna, Dholgiri, etc. are the other regions. The peak in this range are covered with ice throughout the year. Sometimes a large body of ice crawl down very slowly. This slowly moving river of ice are known as the glaciers. Gangotri and the Yamunotri are the source. In these mountains, every year, not only in season, in this month, not this month, 6 months, every year having snow here. In these mountains, every year having snow. The snow will melt and the glaciers means what? Glaciers means river of ice that moves slowly. The snow will melt. It will become water. If snow will melt, it will become the water. The water will flow. Here the water will not flow. Only snow will flow. Why snow will flow? It joins to Yamuna river and Ganga river. We call snow will flow now. For that we call Yamunotri and Gangotri. Famous glaciers, the river Ganga originated from Gangotri and the river Yamuna originated from the Yamunotri. The famous two rivers is there na, Ganga and Yamuna, where they